So today we're going to be installing a door stopper rebuild kit for your, all right, I'll hold it. So today we're going to install a door stopper rebuild kit for a 350Z. What's going on, guys? Justin with Z1 Off-Road. Today we're going to be doing a collaboration with Beefy 350. So we got a little motorsports, we got a little off-road, but we're going to be doing our door stopper rebuild kit on this 350Z today.
To remove your 350Z door panel, you'll need a trim removal tool and a 10 mil socket.
There should be one back here.
You'll remove the bolts inside the door handle and control panel. Next, remove the door panel.
Pop off just like that.
And unhook the wire harness.
Set that aside. So here's your door stopper. You're gonna remove these 3 10 mils. I believe we're gonna have to remove the door speaker to get to it. Bear with me, guys, I'm not Papa Dix. I don't know exactly how all these things go together. I'm more of the truck guy. Perfect. So just let that hang out of the way. I'm gonna loosen these tins as well. Now we can fish this out, and here's your old door stopper. So we'll probably go to the bench and we can show you how to rebuild this bad boy and put it right back in the same way we took it out. So here's your check link, your door stopper, right? You should not be able to just do this by your hands. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a set of needle nose pliers, grip it, and rip it. These come apart. These are your old worn out bushings. And they just pop right on out because they're so old and dry rotted. All right, so these are your old replacements. They're super worn, super dry rotted, falling apart on us. That's why your door doesn't stay closed. These are the new ones. They go in the exact same way. They've got a cool Z1 logo on them. They've got these cool little looking Lego pieces. I like to start the rubber pieces in first. Push it together.
Make sure everything inside the rebuild kit fits snug with no movement.
So back in the vehicle, everything goes back together the same way it came out. So we're just gonna fish this back up through here.
Install door stopper through speaker hole. Tighten bolts around door stopper and speaker.
Look at that, the door actually stays open. All right, let's test fit it. Let's give it a test close before we button everything back up again. I'm not gonna close it all the way because the latch isn't hooked up. Oh, look at that. Door stops. The wind blowing and it's still staying open. Okay, so everything's back, just going back together the way we took it out, so.
Use a 10 millimeter socket and door trim clips to mount door panel back onto body.
Push this clip back in.
Make sure door lock and all trim fit and move properly before bolting door back into place.
So if you need a set of door stopper rebuild kits for your vehicles, shop now at z1offroad.com or z1motorsports.com today.